Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we will discuss the lesson Birth and it is written by A.J. Cronin. Let's see the outline of the story. It was nearly midnight. Dr. Andrew Manson found Joe Morgan waiting for him when he reached home. So, the name of the doctor is Andrew Manson, and when he came back from his workplace and when he reached to his home, he found Joe Morgan, who was his friend. He was waiting for him. Joe's wife was expecting a child after 20 years of their marriage, and she needed immediate medical help. Then both of them set out for Morgan's house, means Dr. Andrew and Joe Morgan both moved towards Morgan's house. Then Mrs. Morgan's mother and the nurse stood beside the patient, means Joe Morgan's mother was standing beside his wife. Andrew had to make a choice after the birth of the child to save the child or perform his duty towards the child's mother to save her too. So, Dr. Andrew faced a very complicated situation because after the birth of the child, both the mother's and the child's life was in danger. So, it was very difficult for him to decide that whom to save at that time. Then he gave the child to the nurse and turned his attention towards Susan Morgan. Means the doctor decided that his priority must be to save the mother. Therefore, he handed over the child to the nurse and turned towards the mother. Susan lay collapsed, almost pulseless. The situation of Susan was quite critical and it was about to die. The doctor injected the medicine and after some frantic efforts left her out of danger. So doctor gave her some medicinal injection and after some time she came out of danger. Then he asked for the child. The nurse felt no pulse, so she kept the baby amidst old newspapers. He was pulled out of the newspaper. So, after feeling that the mother is safe, then the doctor turned towards the child, and as the nurse felt that there was no life in the child, therefore she kept that child amidst the old newspapers. The doctor took that child from the newspapers. He was a boy, perfectly formed. His body was white and soft. The child was suffering from asphyxia, the lack of oxygen in blood. So, the child was a boy and complete body was there, means he was a complete child. So, and his color was white and he was quite very tender, means he was very soft. And the child was suffering from a disease which is caused due to the lack of oxygen in blood, and the name of the disease is asphyxia. Andrew ordered for hot and cold water and 2 basins. He went on plunging the child now in icy cold water and then into steaming hot water. So the doctor, he instantly recognized the terrible problem with the child. So he immediately ordered for the 2 basins of water. One contains the hot water and second one with the cold water, and started putting the child first into the icy cold water and then into the steaming hot water to balance the level of oxygen in the body of the child. 15 minutes passed, nothing better happened. A sense of defeat pressed on Andrew. So the doctor became very nervous because after 15 minutes of effort on the child, there seems no recovery in his body. However, he went on rubbing the child with a rough towel. He kept crushing and releasing the little chest with both of his hands. Then also the doctor didn't lose the hope and he kept on rubbing the child with a rough towel. And then he keep on crushing and releasing the little chest of the child with both of his hands. Then a miracle took place. The child gave a short heave. He was gasping now deeper and deeper. His skin turned pink and then the child started crying. So, after a lot of efforts by the doctor, a miracle took place. The child's skin began to turn into pink because the life was coming in his body. So, so that child shows the recovery and he began to cry. Then Dr. Andrews gave the child to the nurse and came out of the room. When doctor observed that the child is all right, then he came out of the room. Outside stood Joe. He was highly relieved. Both the mother and the child were safe and sound. So, when doctor came out of the room, he found his friend Joe who was standing there, and he felt relaxed when doctor informed them that both mother and the son are safe. So students, this is all the story named as Birth, written by A.J. Cronin. Here the tireless efforts of a doctor are being highlighted by the author in a very beautiful manner. You all have observed how a doctor make his all the efforts to save the child as well as his mother. So once more read the lesson from the book and enjoy it. Thank you.